Hello, I'm Cody.
I'm Corey.
We're here with Underground Metal Detecting, and we're detecting an 1800s property that's surrounding a local botanical garden. We expect to find a lot of old stuff out here, hopefully more nice stuff than junk. We already tried our first couple of targets and pulled out some iron, so we'll see what we find here. Today I'm running the Equinox EQX15 coil on my Equinox 800. Corey has the, where's Corey? There she is down there. The Xterra Pro, and she's running the 11-inch round. We're going for a little bit more depth out of here and hoping to find better targets than this. Right next to where I just pulled out that last beaver tail, I found what appears to be some type of cap or bottle top, but I've never seen one with the eagle engraved on it yet. Of course, a park hunt would not be complete unless you found one of the little rolly things to a Bic lighter. This guy was ringing up a 21. Not sure what I found. I mean, it's obviously got some type of markings on it, like it was a decorative piece. This end seems wood, almost as if this was part of like a fishing pole or umbrella. I see strings going around there. You usually see something like that on one of those items. And I believe that's metal on the bottom. So I don't know. What do you guys think this thing is? Kind of looks like a Japanese figure or something there. Quite the nice old growth in this park. But so far, all I am finding are screw-on bottle caps. So this might not be the best part of the park to search. So close with a 1966 dime. Well, first coin came out of the ground. By the shape and what's on it, I believe this is just going to be a crappy zinc penny. She's pretty bubbly on this side, so we either got a dime or a penny, but I think I see Lincoln sitting up at the top there. So, not the greatest, and if she's just a stinking Lincoln, she's not gonna be that old. Well, here's the first non-common find of the day. I don't even know what it is. It's about 2.5 inches circle, and that is a square hole in the center that's a little bit mangled. Never found one of these before, and I can't tell if that's like a rubber gasket or another piece of metal, but I found it. And 19 over here, not too far from the surface, brings me this fancy handled, it says Kent. I believe this was a pocket knife, as you can see where items would fold in, but they are severely corroded. So this was either a pocket knife or like a straight razor. It's interesting, at least. I used to like Pepsi, and now they have become my nemesis. You're just not enjoying yourself in the park unless you have aluminum foil circles bent together, buried in the ground to upset the metal detectorists. Whatever that's about. Now, don't you hate when you're searching around through the hole in the plug and you can't find the item and you're driving yourself crazy because you swore you heard a signal and then you look on your shovel? Dang it! I've chose to torture myself running in all metal mode. Uh-oh. Oh, Corey's got a marble! But it signals galore out here. And a lot of it is junk. Your common can slaw, even if they're old beaver tail cans. Of course, now that I say that there are signals everywhere, there aren't signals everywhere. Oh, here they are. Lots of stuff I don't want, though. There was a 20, 30, really low now. I'm going for the screamers since there's so much to dig. Here comes Corey. What do we got?
Look, it's just my marble. It's just in the hole. Never found one of those before.
Glorious. It looks like somebody froze a little shrimp.
Baby goldfish?
Perhaps. Pretty sure I found my first wheat cent here, even though I can't read that year. Pretty sure that says 1 cent with the wheat on the side. We'll have to get her cleaned up to get some more detail on it. Yet another wheat penny. I don't know if I can make that visible for the camera. The year on this one is almost visible. $50-something. Can't quite read it. But at least we're finding old coins. Not even sure what this is. Some type of chrome trim. That was ringing up like a 26. But just looks like junk. After a long day of detecting, I like to enjoy Colt 45 by throwing it into a field until it gets buried to annoy metal detectorists. Let's see if I can carry everything in one hand. Well, 2 hands. But we're going to see what Corey's doing. Because I'm pretty sure my pack could not get any fuller with all these amazing things I found. And by amazing, I mean terrible. Excuse me, ma'am, park security.
Oh my god, you scared the shit out of me with that. Oh my god. I gotta get away from that. I think I'm too close to the... If I find one more of these, okay.
Oh, we can have a shootout at the end of the video. See who's got more of those.
It's ridiculous. Well, I have thrown some of mine into the woods because I'm sick of carrying them.
We will now edit that from the video. Our lawyers advise us that that never happened.
It's a prophylactic. It's a prophylactic. It's a prophylactic.
All right, here is our haul. I'm filming with my phone because I think the GoPro has died. I managed to find 2 of these are wheat pennies. There's a 66 dime, I think a zinc penny, Pretty sure this is a Bakelite style pocket knife. Random hot iron or scrap. Still don't know what any of this stuff is. The little lighter piece. Corey found what looks like a battery from something. Your usual ring pulls. These foil plates. I feel like I have 100 various old beaver tail style tops of cans. You have all your 40-ounce lids, some scrap can slaw. There is probably not that old of glasses. More of those tops. Corey found a golf ball and a marble, but the prize of the day, we won $500,000.